Hello, my name is Dr. Laura Lewis, and I'm the Director of Field Education at the University of Buffalo School of Social Work. I'm pleased to introduce a video of a workshop led by Dr. Lawrence Shulman, provided for a group of second-year MSW students here who volunteered to lead support groups for fellow students during the COVID-19 crisis. The project was offered as an alternative field placement option for students cut off from their field placement agencies due to the pandemic. The impact of the coronavirus has been powerful for all of us. One specific area of concern is the continuation of professional education for social work students, both in the classroom and in field. While many classroom faculty and field instructors turned to electronic forms of communication such as Zoom and GoToMeeting, some students in social work programs are unable to have ongoing contact with their field programs, their supervisors, and with fellow students. At the same time, many of these students are attempting to cope with the demands of school and family life. It is for this group of students that the development of an online peer support group is particularly important. While focusing on student-to-student peer support, the content is also relevant for staff and supervisors leading support groups for frontline workers. Dr. Shulman's presentation of his mutual aid support group model provides a way in which all social service staff and students can help each other, so in turn, they can be more helpful to clients during this difficult time.